The KIMO 20V cordless buffer polisher kit is equipped with an advanced brushless motor that significantly enhances efficiency and ensures a longer runtime, providing a seamless and powerful polishing experience. This comprehensive polishing kit includes 25 premium accessories, making it ideal for professional-grade car detailing and offering a wide range of tools for various tasks. With 6 adjustable speeds ranging from 2,500 to 6,000 revolutions per minute, this polisher allows for precise control to meet the specific demands of any polishing project. Weighing just 2.5 pounds, the KIMO polisher is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to handle for extended periods without causing strain or fatigue. The kit comes with two 2,000 mAh batteries that offer extended runtime and quick recharge, ensuring you are always ready for the next task. Its compact design allows for superior precision in tight spaces, making it perfect for detailed work and providing a versatile tool for a variety of surfaces.